Good afternoon, scrappers. So last week I went out and collected this. I thought it would be quite exciting. As you can see, it says on there Barcrest, and it is a fruit machine power supply. So I thought it'd be kind of interesting to have a look and see what was in it. It was advertised on the free pages on Facebook, so I was going past where it was anyway, so let's pick it up. Makes a change for it not to be a fly tipping find. Can't imagine there's going to be a great deal in it, but it's going to be a circuit board at least. I actually thought it was going to be bigger than this. The picture was quite deceptive. It was free, it'll do. Well, I can already see there's a couple of copper transformer, a couple of copper coils. I'll put my teeth in so I can speak properly. Which there's not very much to it at all, looking at it. A couple of screws at the back there, and that should come out. There you go. Right. A couple of bits of steel. There's another transformer there. And a big chunky heatsink. Nice little screws, that's what we like. And the guy was just going to bin it, so there's something else saved from the landfill, which is always good. That is a nice piece of aluminium. Okay, steel, another bit of steel. You don't want to come off. I'll take him off later, but that is another piece of aluminium. I've got a heatsink on there. That's quite a nice heatsink. Another piece of aluminium. And what that is as well. Here's a load of screws holding that on. So let's see, we've got a nice transformer there. Another piece of aluminium here, and here's a nice big piece. Some copper coils there and there, a little bit of wire. A couple of IC chips on these. Copper coil here, another one here, and another transformer. So that's not too bad. A little bit of copper on there. A few more IC chips hiding down there. Yeah. Very nice. Let's just have a look, see what it's not going to weigh much, but there's that tiny bit of steel on there. And with the other one as well, there's probably maybe 350 350, 400 grams of aluminium. As always, still probably have a 750 grams of. Let's see why it doesn't work. Looks like it may have been burnt out on the back somewhere. Yeah, it's all you can get for free. It's all good. Well, I hope you found that interesting. I know there wasn't a great deal to it, but something different. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you dare, and I'll catch you in the next one. Keep scrapping.